It's a new 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. When your livelihood depends on whether your truck can handle the load, this is the one to buy. It comes with the features you need, and better yet, want. Turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, electronic shift on the fly, engine auto stop start feature, trailer brake controller, streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com reports the Silverado pickup is just as adept at serving as the weekday family car as it is at transporting home improvement supplies or towing a boat on the weekends. Chevy, 100 years of icons. Hurry in today for a test drive.
Hall Automotive. More cars. Great people. Hall Chevrolet Chesapeake, a MileOne company, is minutes off I-264 or I-664. Easy to get to from all of Hampton roads